just now that I'm stealing Sophia Nygaard's intro. But anyways, if you're here to watch a Stitch Fix unboxing video. This is my Stitch Fix for the month of February in the great year of 2022. So, if you're not aware what Stitch Fix is, it is a clipping, styling box, service, subscription, whatever you want to call it. I hesitate to call it a subscription because if you want to, you can literally just request one box and never request another box for the rest of your life. So, with that being said, it is many options, much wow. But basically you take a style, quiz or assessment, whatever word you would like to use, to determine what you like, what you don't like. You could put in things like, for example, such as myself, I wrote that I am curvy. I wrote that I am long-waisted with short legs. I have not written anything about our poor bupper who is whining outside the door, but I don't want to let her in because I don't want to get dog hair all over the clothes. So sorry if you hear that. I did let her in for the last video I filmed, and it wasn't complete pandemonium, so there's that at least. But then she wanted out, and I need to keep the door closed because Mike's on work calls. So anyways, moving on. For this month, I did request some longer sleeve dresses, maybe some possible maxi dresses, because my brother is getting married, and the wedding is going to be in Michigan, and it's going to be cold. Because it's going to be February. So, and I don't think it's going to be a super formal wedding. It's, a little more chill. So I'm hoping maybe I'll find one of these dresses that will fit the bill as far as what to wear. That'll also keep me a little bit warmer. Because like I mentioned, it's going to be February in Michigan. And it's not going to be outside, but I'm just a general weenie butt in regards to all things that are involve just being cold. I hate it. I technically moved down to Texas for work, but it's been a great kind of benefit that it doesn't generally get very cold here very often. So with that being said, let's go ahead and see what my stylist has to say. This box got a little jumbled around, so I am working on finding the card. Now, if I don't enjoy anything, if I don't want to keep all 5 items in my box, which makes sense because this box I know is all dresses, there is a prepaid mailer that I can send everything back to the post office with and back to Stitch Fix. So this is the invoice. I don't like to look at this until the very end. So we're just gonna take that away and we're gonna forget about it for now. And this is the style card. So here is everything that my stylist picked out, as well as a note from her. What else? I was gonna mention something else, but my ADD brain it's running on all cylinders today, fair warning. I don't know what else I wanna mention. Oh, previews. So I did pick 3 out of the 5 items in this box and then told my stylist to get back to work as far as picking the last 2 items in this box. Some of them will be surprises. It does look like 4 out of 5 of these dresses are floral print. So my stylist did pretty good there. So let's go ahead and see what my stylist says. Hey Amanda, happy Fix Day and welcome to Fix number 31. I hope that this is finding you happy and healthy in Texas. How exciting was your Fix preview experience? I'm so glad to see that you found a few items that you look forward to trying on. Sorry, we just had to get all of those just like basic sentences out of the way that she doesn't change for everyone. Anyway, I'm sorry. I feel a little resentful about just this like copy and paste note thing. To be fair, I could request a new stylist. Generally speaking, whenever I check out, I do just say like surprise me as far as stylists go. So it looks like I'm still with Brittany for anyone who's invested in knowing that. So let's see. Now let's have some fun and start trying on some clothes like the Kaylee faux wrap dress and add some heels or wedge sandals for a fun option to officiate my brother's wedding. Oh yeah, I was supposed to officiate and then I told him, listen, there's a chance depending what's happening with COVID, I might not be able to make it. So like he has a backup officiant, I don't know. Anyways, how does the dress fit you? Do you like the style and pattern of the dress? Unfortunately, I could not find maxi dress options at this time. However, I can keep looking for you if you would like. Okay, so I feel like I've heard some hot goss over like some inventory issues on Stitch Fix's part. Let me know what you guys know down in the comments below. Please always feel free to let me know which items are working well for you and how I can improve to better help you in the future. I can't wait to hear from you, your friend Brittany. Anyways, let's go ahead and see what these bad boys look like out of the box. Out of the box. Out of the box. So normally I would show you a pretty bundle, but it's not. Oh god, everything's falling apart. something, no, okay, we're just gonna show you one dress at a time. So this first one, I'm loving the color. So far, I'm loving the floral print. It's definitely like a stretchy polyester feel. So it looks like they're kind of somewhat bell sleeves, and then it has this kind of like cuff down here by the wrist, which will be nice for hiding my watch tan that never went away. I think this might be, yes, I think this is the faux wrap dress. So it's a little hard to tell. It should be a lot easier to tell once I actually get the dress on, but there is a waist band type thingamajig, but I can't actually manually tighten it if I wanted to, it looks like. Oh, I feel like there's something, it'll make more sense once I try it on, but I have a feeling I might actually get really annoyed with this dress. And you'll see why potentially once I try it on if it is an issue. It does look maybe a little bit on the short side. I'm definitely gonna have to wear some good tights or leggings. I do have some fleece lined ones that I might end up wearing, but overall she cute. I ain't mad about it. Moving on to the next dress. I'm not sure which one this is, but this is kind of, it's looking a little more orangey in the camera, I can tell you, but it's a little more peachy in the real world. Oh, this is soft. This is more cottony. This strap detail is a back strap detail. It does look like it just has a simple V neckline, and the waist looks good. We'll see. As far as the sleeves, they look nice and long. I will say the quality on this one looks maybe a little higher, but it looks cheaper. I don't know why I'm saying, like, I feel like cotton is better than polyester in my opinion. But that looks more like a dress that like a younger person than myself would wear, but I could also still pull it off because, you know, I'm me. Moving on, this dress, I saw it in my preview and I was like, that looks awful. Let's try it on. So anyways, I do not think I'll be able to pull this one off, but you never know if you don't try. Am I right, kids? And since I knew this was not going to be a 5 for 5, I said, let's try it. So this has a cinch neckline. So we'll see if I end up doing like an off the shoulder thing or if I end up doing up around the neckline type thing. But otherwise, I'm calling this just like a trash bag, a mint trash bag type dress. Now, with that being said, this could be super cute. It could be super flattering. This is just not my style aesthetic at all. But I saw it and I was like, you know what? You gotta try it. Gotta try something new, because otherwise this would have been 5 floral print dresses all about the same. And I think it mix things up a little bit. Now this next dress, again, it is floral print. It is black. And now I will say I do already own a black floral print long sleeve dress. And I was hesitant because I'm always hesitant to wear black to a wedding because I feel like it gives off the wrong vibes unless it's like a super elegant black and it's like a super high-end wedding. But if it's not one of those, then I just feel weird because it's like black gives me like funeral vibes and like it means mourning, and I don't want like my future sister-in-law to think that like I'm mourning for my brother's future. I want it to be like happy. But anyways, we'll go ahead and try this on. It's a super basic, just scoop neckline cotton. This might actually just be a 3/4 sleeve dress. I am loving it. Honestly, there's a chance that I'll keep some of these dresses just because I think they're cute and not because I'm actually going to wear them to my brother's wedding. And then last but not least, I saw this and I was like, the color's a little loud for my taste, but it's cute. And I think this would also be super cute for when Mike and I go out for Valentine's Day. So anyways, here is another dress by Kaylee. Maybe this is the Kaylee faux wrap. I got 2 dresses by Kaylee this month. I ain't mad about it. But anyways, this is another Kaylee dress. This almost looks, is this identical to the green one? Hold on. It is almost identical to the green one because the sleeves look exactly the same to me, which is why I got triggered. It does look like this actually has a bow detail though, and that I might actually be able to control at least a little bit how tight this sits around my waist. Now with that being said, let's go try all these bad boys on. Okay, so here is outfit number 1. And this is the pink dress that honestly I love. I love almost everything about this. I paired it with just a pair of black leggings, a pair of thigh-high boots, because like I said, it's gonna be cold, and I realized if I wear thigh highs, more of my body will be covered and I can wear many layers of socks if necessary. So, you know, something to keep in mind. So all pluses for this dress. I do love how generally everything sits. I did show this to Mike and he hates the sleeves, apparently. He says they're Aladdin sleeves. I personally think it's cute, so I don't know. This might just be, apparently Roxy found something to bark at. Anyways, regardless of Mike's opinions, this might be a keeper anyways. I don't know. Well, let me know what you guys think. Okay, so this is kind of low-key giving me LuLaRoe vibes, but I ain't mad about it, okay? Like, while I don't support MLM or LuLaRoe or any of that stuff, this is very cute. Mike's complaint is that it's not like cinched or bodycon or anything. Now, I could probably pair this with a belt and make it look super 2000s, but if it would make it cuter, I'm not mad about it. Now, I do really like this dress, but it does give me the black kind of funeral vibe still, so I don't know. This might just end up being kept for other reasons because she cute. Now, anyways, next dress. Okay, so here is dress number 3. Mike said this is his favorite so far. It is very cute. I'm just a little worried that maybe this isn't formal enough. I don't know. It doesn't fit super well up here, but my hair hides it. It's just a little loose in the shoulders, but again, not the worst problem to have in the world. He also said it has the stringies in the back, which he likes because he is a simple man. His words, not mine. Anyways, next dress. Here is dress number 4 and the last of the floral prints. And this looks very similar to dress number 1. Now there is a different faux wrap detail here. So this is the thing that I thought was going to annoy me, but it ended up working out better than I thought. The only thing keeping this in place is this weird little strip of fabric. But if I wanted this over more, the only thing that I can do to make it stay like that and make it over more is I would have to get like some sort of brooch or pin and like pin it in place. Now, with that being said, where it naturally sits, ain't bad. I like it. Mike is fixated on these sleeves. He hates them. I think they're cute. I also think this dress is very cute. And I know I said this wasn't going to be a 5 for 5. I was just going to pick one and, you know, wear it to my brother's wedding. But we'll see. Okay. I know I was ready to hate on this one, y'all. But as Max said, this is a very Texas dress. Not something I would probably wear to my brother's wedding. But I might just keep it because she's cuter than I thought she would be. Like, I'll be honest, it's low-key giving me Target prairie dress vibes, but I'm not mad about it. Like, I feel like Target had a vision in mind, just didn't execute it very well, and this is like that vision, but executed well. I think this would be super cute, honestly. I don't know if I would wear this necessarily the same way, like style-wise. Like, I wouldn't wear leggings with it. I might still wear these boots with it, though. But I could also wear those pair of wedges I got like a million fixes ago, and it would also be super cute with that. And I would normally wear a strapless bra with this, but I don't want to go change. But she cute. Like, am I wrong? Anyways, let's go read that invoice. Okay, let's see what potential damage I can do today. Let's read this invoice. So the subtotal for all 5 items is $272. If I keep all 5 items, I do get a 25% discount. So that new subtotal, if I kept all 5, would be $204, which I will say, not the most expensive Stitch Fix I've ever gotten. Now with that being said, I do low-key want to keep all 5 dresses, and I'm going to have some difficult decisions to make. I'm probably going to send my brother some pictures about like, hey, is this formal enough for your wedding? Do I need to step up my game, like be a little more elegant? I don't think that'll be the case, but let me know what you guys think down in the comments below about what dress would be the most appropriate for a wedding, and your thoughts on them. Oh god, the green Kaylee wrap dress, the one I tried on before this one, is $58. This dress is also $58. The other faux wrap dress, the pinkish one, is also $58. The burnt orange dress is $54, and then the black dress is $44. They're all very cute. I do want to keep them all a little bit, I'm not gonna lie. If I don't keep any of them, it would probably be the 2 Kaylee faux wrap dresses, just because, I don't know, I do feel like the pink one would actually be the best for the wedding, but I don't know, we'll see. I'm gonna be overthinking this. I'll probably give it a whole week before I even attempt to close out this box. But anyways, if you've made it this far in the video, thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate you guys watching my video and doing all the things that make the YouTube algorithm more likely to suggest my video to other people, such as liking, sharing, subscribing, commenting, and turning on that notification bell. Anyways, stay safe, stay comfortable out there. Have a happy Valentine's Day. Festival is coming up, or is it Festival? It's coming up in Animal Crossing. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching.